I am going to look at set 2 with you on page 7 so you can kind of see how you should be going about these. I'm not sure what I did with my paper. Here it is. All right. So letter A. So this is set 2. Boys, enough. So 1 2/3 I can change into an improper fraction, right? 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 all over thirds minus 4/9. Now I need to change my denominators so they match. You know your multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. 9 is one of them. So we could write them both out of 9. This one would stay the same. 3 times what is 9? 3. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Make sure you're doing this along with me. It's not helpful for you to just sit and watch, right? So what's 3 times 5? 15, not 3 plus 5, 3 times 5. So now I'm going across my numerators. 15 minus 4. 11/9. Now I have to change it back into a mixed number. So how many groups of 9 can I take out? One group of 9 would be 9 people, right? 11 minus 9 is 2. And my denominator stays the same. So I'm going to write that 1 2/9 neatly here. All right. S is 23/36 plus 5/12. So I would look down my lower number of multiples. So I would follow my 12 and see if I happen to have a 36, 12, 24, 36. So I can change this to 36 by multiplying it by 3. Ladies, please stop the talking. So I have 23/36 plus, what's 5 times 3? 15, and 12 times 3 was 36. So now I'm adding across the top. 3 and 5 is 8, 1 and 2 is 3. Oh man, so I have to change this improper fraction. I can take one group of 36 out. That gives me a remainder of 2, which means I have to simplify. Both my numerator and denominator are even, so I can divide them by 2. So I have 1 and 1/18. So that's what I'm going to write for letter S. 1 and 1/18. Letter E. Let's go ahead and change this to an improper fraction. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 makes 16. We keep the denominator the same. Minus 8/15. Can we subtract these right now? No, because they do not have common denominators. So if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, I can get to 15. So I'm going to put them both out of 15. What do I have to multiply the 5 by to make 15? 3. So that's what I have to multiply the top. I don't know my 16s. You could probably figure it out, but 16 times 3 is 48. So 48 minus 8 is 40. 15ths. How many 15s can I take out? Well, if I'm looking across my 15, 15, 30, 45 would be too many. So 2 wholes would be 30. 40 minus 30 is 10 remaining out of that 15. And then what can I divide both 10 and 15 by? 5. So we have 2 and 2/3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 2 and 2/3 there for letter E. R. Let's write 3/4. And let's go ahead and I guess change that to a mixed number. 1 times 12 is 12, plus that 1 makes 13/12. Again, they're giving us nice numbers because 4 can go into 12. So we could do out of 12s here. So this stays the same. This changes a little bit. What do I have to multiply the 4 by? So that's what I have to multiply the 3 by. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 13. So if I take 1 out, I've got one group of 12 coming out. So that's 10/12. What can I divide both 10 and 12 by? 2. So 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 1 and 5, 6. All right, last letter in this set is C. One and 1/3. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So I have 4/3 plus 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 7/5. Now I need to change these so we have a common multiple. Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The first one they have in common is when they're multiplied by each other, right? 3 times 5 is 15. So I have to multiply the 3 by the 5. So I have to multiply the 4 by the 5. What's 5 times 4? And I have to multiply the 5 by the 4. So what's 7 times 4? 7 times 4 is 28. So now I have 48 15ths. Good. So I would follow my 15 and say 15, 30, 45 would be the closest without going over. That's 3, which is 45. Remainder of 3/15. Can I stop here? No, because I can still simplify. I can divide by 3. No, not 1/3. 3 and 1. What's 15 divided by 3? 5. 3 and 1/5. So that's what I'm going to put for letter C. 3 and 1/5. All right, I'm gonna fold my paper so that yeah, no, I'm just making a line so that I'm not getting my letters confused with my numbers that I'm gonna do. All right, I'm still in set 2. So I'm gonna do number 3. 1 and 9/10. Well, 10 times 1 is 10 plus 9. 19/10 plus 5/6. So I would go by my 6's till I found a multiple of 10. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. I know 10 can go into 30 as well. So something out of 30 plus something out of 30. What do I have to multiply the 10 by to get 30? 3. So 3 times 19 is 57 according to my multiplication table. What do I have to multiply the 6 by to make 30? 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And then I have, excuse me, 57 plus 25. So 1282. We need to change this to a mixed number. So how many? 2 wholes, which would be 60. So 22 over 30. Did we do something wrong? I'm just trying to figure out how we're going to get the same one as over here. Wouldn't it be 2 and 11/15? But I don't have 11/15. So what did we do wrong? This is 19/10. This became 57/30. That's right. 25/30. That's right. We did add. We added. 7 and 5 is 12. I don't know what I did. 82 30th. Yeah, maybe we got one of the letters wrong. Maybe we got E wrong. Uh, 16/5. That looks okay to me. I don't know. Let's come back. We'll see if we can narrow it down. So we're not sure. It's already 5 after. All right, number 8. One-fourth and 35/36. Now, is 36 a multiple of 4? Yes, so we can change them to both be out of 36. 4 times what is 36? 4 times 9 is 36. Be careful. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 35 is 44. This is like 11/9, which is 1 and 2/9. So if I divided them both by 4, I'd have 11/9, which is 1 and 2/9. And that matches up with A. I don't know why. 1 and 2/9. So where we see the number 8 down here, we're going to put the letter A. Because those match. All right, number 11. No, that was what you're supposed to start yesterday. 1 and 5/9. So 1 times 9 is 9, plus 5 is 14/9. Minus 1/2. So what's 2 times 9? 18. What's 2 times 14? 2 times 9 is 18, so 1 times 9 is 9. 28 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is 19. That doesn't sound familiar either. Oh, yes, it does. It's letter S. Oh, excellent. All right, so number 11 is letter S. 11S. 1.5. 2 times 1 plus 1, 3. So I have 3 halves. 3 halves plus 1/3. What's 2 times 3? So we have to multiply the 2 by 3. So we have to multiply the 3 by 3. Here we have to multiply the 3 by 2. So the 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 11/6. All right, so that will match up for us. So 14 is letter R. And number 2 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 6 minus 1/2. I know I can change this into 6. 19, 6 minus 3, 6. 16, 6. So 3 times would be too many. Good. So this is 4, 6. So this is so what did I do wrong? That doesn't seem reasonable to me, though. E is letter number 2, rather. I wonder if there's a typo, because that doesn't seem reasonable to me. How would we get from 3? I'm not sure, but we know 3 has to be letter what? The only one left. Letter C? Letter C is 3. All right, guys, keep working on sets 1 and 3. See if we can get some more answer here.